guys, pag-uusapan natin yung sa meatloaf. Diba? Yung sa meatloaf, once na na-open mo siya and you put on the burner, kapag ni-heat natin siya, nagra-rise yung meatloaf. So, diba? So, ito. So, ngayon, for example, this is the kind of meatloaf. Okay? I-imagine natin that this meatloaf, okay, open na siya. Then this meatloaf is a piston. Okay? Piston siya. O, imagine lang natin na itong meatloaf na ito is piston. Okay? So, din dito, may konting space. Because nandito yung mga moisture or presence of oil, something like that. Na-imagine mo na siya na it is a piston. So, this piston is in constant pressure. Okay? Is in constant pressure. Then, imagine that this is our burner. A burner. Then, we turned on. Okay? Turned on. This is a burner. So then, once we heat it, of course, there is an increase in temperature. There is an increase in temperature. Then, so what you have observed is that when we continuously heated this gun, the meatloaf is started to rise upward. Okay, that's why kung makita natin, rise na siya upward. Rise upward. Then this part, yung mga presence of moisture continues to what? To vaporize. Vaporizes. And what you have observed is that the space it takes, what? Yung space niya becomes what? Increase. And that is we call volume. Volume, okay? From this space, pwedeng double size na siya from that. So, kung napansin ninyo, di ba? Once we heat the kind of meatloaf, the meatloaf starts to rise upward or come out. Sabi natin kanina that this meatloaf, we will imagine this that it is a piston which is in constant pressure. Kasi hindi naman natin siya, nakaganyan lang siya kanina. Diba? Naka-steady lang siya dito kanina. Then, there is no change in what? In pressure. Kasi naka-steady lang siya. So, pero nung pinag-increase natin yung ating temperature, tumataas siya. Pero, yung ating tawag dito, yung pressure nga natin is in constant. Right? So, this relationship between temperature and volume ay nasa Charles law siya. This is what we call the Charles law. Right? This is what we call the Charles law. When the temperature increases, the volume also increases. When the temperature decreases, the volume decreases also. Kasi, na-try nyo na rin ba siyang i-off that time, diba? Bumalik siya bigla. Nasa up na siya, tapos bigla siyang bumalik. Diba? Pansin nyo yun. So, yun nga. So, Charles law states that the relationship between temperature and volume is directly proportional. Okay? With constant pressure. So, that's it. Okay?